I am not the best fisherman. I have just started kind of experimenting and being comfortable being able to fish the West Coast, but often my days look like this.
Close. You guys feel that vibe? Bro, no way. No way. Conditions? Suboptimal for sure. Am I a big stuff? No.
I will say my journey is a little bit different than most average fishermen because I'm trying to learn how to also bring you guys along with me. It's not always easy, and it's, the learning curve has been kind of difficult, but stick with it. I promise you will learn how to fish.